Photos are great because they take you back to the places you've been, people you've met, and moments you've experienced. Being able to share those moments with your cared and loved ones makes your moments worthwhile.
I love taking photos. I get to see all of these wonderful and amazing things, but more often than not, I'm not able to picture them all. Most times it's blurry, and other times it's over or underexposed. I want to learn how to properly take amazing photos, so when I look back at them, I can appreciate, share, and just enjoy them later.
We want to share with you our city and its beautiful hidden gems. It's a beautiful place to see, explore. It's a perfect place to learn photography.
Vancouver is gorgeous. It has different landscapes, diverse cultures, and beautiful architecture. I just love it.
Ultimately, telling your own stories to photographs is the core of Capture Vancouver. Learn to use your camera, explore Vancouver, and tell your own stories. For more information, visit capturevancouver.ca.